How to get the Demolitionist in Terraria. So you cannot just build a house and expect him to arrive empty-handed. He strictly requires you to physically hold an explosive item in your inventory before he will ever spawn. So first is you must build a valid empty NPC house with background walls, a door, or just empty space that they can go through, a light source, a flat surface item like a table or a workbench, and a comfort item like a chair. Second is you must find a bomb, dynamite, or grenade, and the fastest and most reliable early game method is just by smashing clay pots right here and check if they have grenades that will drop, just like that. Or you could also check chests like this. So as you can see, it has a grenade. And the moment that you pick up any explosive, keep it in your inventory. And as long as it is daytime, and your house is completely valid, the demolitionist will automatically move in. So to know that your house is valid is by clicking on escape, clicking on the housing right here, and click on the housing query and hover to your house and left click on it. And as you can see, it says that this housing is suitable. You can also see what NPC is currently residing in your houses, just like that. So it will have pictures. As you can see, this one has no NPC yet. As for the other ones, there are NPCs that are living in it. So you strictly need the demolitionist to buy an endless supply of bombs and dynamite, which are absolutely mandatory for quickly destroying the hardened ebon stone or crimson blocks to reach the shadow orbs and crimson hearts before you have a strong enough pickaxe. And that is how you basically get the demolitionist in Terraria.